Hello friends, welcome back again. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the set reset command in LS PLC. Model which I am using XEC-DR60SU. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. Let's get started. First of all, we will open our XG5000 software and here we will create the new project. Very simple and easy method. Today's session is set reset, so I will create the name set reset and just click it OK. Overwrite we can, no problem. So first of all, we will take a input address. An example internal memory bit I am using MX0. This is my first internal memory bit. And second, we need to output which we like to be make set and reset. Also you can choose from here and also you can choose it from the here. This is the set coil. You can drop and drag all function is also available, and also if you double click it on this function it will be automatic. So if we like to make the output physical output, so I will write the QX0. Just click it OK, and in the next row we will choose one more contact and that's we will be placed for MX1 because of in the set reset function you have to be choose the two inputs, internal memory or external memory. So I will make the set condition by the M0 and the reset condition by the M1. So click it OK, and next same this bit we will be choose for the reset. So we can take it from here and place it here, and the address we can change QX0 because of we like to make the set Q0 and reset also Q0, and click it OK, and go to the online section, and first you have to be connect your PLC with your PC. Click it on connected. As you see, the green bar is the down bar is in color is green, and also it is in run condition. Again go to the online and click it on write mode and click OK. As you click OK, he will ask for to PLC. If this is in run mode, allow to stop mode. As you click it on the stop mode, your program will be start downloading into the PLC. Now your program is successfully downloaded, and click it on yes to change to the run mode. Now you can go to the monitor section and your program will be start monitoring. As per seen, Q0 is now in stop condition. I will just give the one signal from the M0, and you can see our output is now on. And maybe I remove the signal, again I will click it on OK. You can see signal is removed, but our Q0 is still on because of this is the function called set reset. Again, when we like to stop this bit, we will go to the MX1 and click it on change current value and click OK, and you can see your output is now off. Again you can check by the change current mode value, click it OK, you can see your input signal is removed. So this function called set reset. In the program you can various areas you can make by this function set reset, Very easy and good program. And one more have a set reset function which I will introduce you. Just stop the monitoring and I will create for you here. Just again you can take the one input address mx2 we can use because of 0 and 1 we already used, and go to the function F10, and here this function you can see bit operation. No, not bit operation. Go down slowly. All conversion and angle conversion. This is the bit table. The bit table is also function for the set reset. Here you can see this the three functions you can see. This is means reset to set condition, and this is the set to reset condition. So we will first choose this one, set reset. Same this all function, only this is the function block system, and click it OK, and again click it OK, again click it OK. You can see your function block is placed. Next you can choose the output which will want to make set reset. So output we can use physical also and internal memory also we can choose. So I will choose the output QX1, and next you can choose one more bit which is mx3 you can choose for the reset function. I think so this addresses our not okay, so we have to be cross check our address, and this line you have to be must be completed with the reset point. So now this same function performed, but this is in function block and this is in locally set reset. So we will go to the online mode and click it on the right mode and click OK. You can see your program is now start downloading. As this will be completed, you can put your PLC change to the run mode and go to the monitor section and see same as this function. When you give the signal at M0, your output Q0 will be on, and when you press the M1, your output Q0 will be stop. Same this function block, what's for doing, when you click the signal at the M2, your output will be set. And maybe I remove this signal, see, but our output is still on. And as I give the signal at MX3, you can see our output is now off. This is very easy method you can use in your program. So hope guys you will be understand about the set reset function. If not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.